Coffee. The warm embrace of a morning in a cup. But have you ever wondered how this magical elixir makes its journey from farm to cup? Let me take you on an extraordinary adventure behind Nestlé's coffee story. A quick spoiler, it involves over 100,000 farmers, cutting-edge robots, and of course, a dash of caffeine-fueled wizardry. It all begins with a whisper, or rather, a bloom. Nestlé's coffee plants in Brazil and Vietnam come to life each year with delicate white flowers. Blink and you might miss them. They only grace the fields for a few days before transforming into vibrant red cherries over 6 to 9 months. Timing is everything. Farmers wait for that perfect moment when 95% of the cherries blush a bright red, leaving behind just a few green rebels. And that's when the magic starts. Hand-picking? It's romantic, but slow. Enter the coffee harvesting superhero, a machine with 1,500 vibrating rods that gently shake the cherries loose. Think of it as a dance party for coffee trees. In just 5 hours, this machine accomplishes what used to take days. Efficiency? Check. Groove? Double check. From the fields, the cherries take a short trip to the wet mill. Here's where things get intense. First, a gravity separator, basically a bouncer, sorts the ripe cherries from the wannabes. The heavy cherries sink, while the lightweights float. Next, a rotating drum carefully removes the juicy pulp, revealing the coffee beans hidden inside. And the leftover pulp? It's repurposed as compost. Nothing goes to waste. It's the ultimate farm-to-fertilizer cycle. But wait, there's more. The beans take a dip in water tanks to remove a slimy coating called mucilage. This isn't your average bubble bath. It's a 12-hour soak that requires precision. Too long, and the flavor is ruined. Too short? Sticky beans. It's like Goldilocks, but with coffee. Finally, the beans bask in the sun, drying until they hit just the right moisture level. Farmers rake them throughout the day, because even coffee beans need a little stretch now and then. Fast forward to the Nestlé factory, where robots handle the heavy lifting, literally. These mechanical marvels unload coffee bags, check their moisture levels, and even sample the beans like gourmet critics. Yes, even robots have a sense of taste. Next stop, the roaster. Here, the beans tumble inside a rotating drum heated to a toasty 540 degrees Fahrenheit. Light roasts keep their caffeine kick, while dark roasts bring bold, intense flavors. It's a flavor showdown, and every second counts. Once roasted, the beans cool down in a tray, locking in all that aromatic goodness. Now for the grand finale, transforming roasted beans into instant coffee. First up, spray drying. Picture a coffee mist swirling through scorching hot air. The water evaporates, leaving behind the fine powder we know as instant coffee. For Nescafé Gold, the process gets even fancier. The coffee extract is frozen at -58 degrees Fahrenheit and shattered into tiny granules. These granules then undergo sublimation, where the ice turns directly into vapor. Science? Absolutely. Sorcery? Possibly. Finally, the coffee granules are jarred, sealed, and labeled at lightning speed. Some factories can fill up to 250,000 jars a day. That's enough coffee to fuel an army of early risers. From lush farms to your local store, Nestlé's coffee journey is nothing short of extraordinary. So the next time you take a sip, remember, behind every cup lies a story of passion, precision, and a touch of caffeinated genius.